Good morning, students. Today we will start with another chapter number 3, Word Processors, MS Word. In this chapter, we will learn about Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a word processor program that can be used to write letters, poems, stories, etc. Here, in Microsoft Word, we can create different types of documents. We can edit them or we can do formatting on that. Now, how to start MS Word? First, you have to click onto the Start button. Then after, one menu will get open. Here, you will find Word application. You just click onto the Word application and the Word window will get open. Before that, you have to select the blank document also. After that, a Word window will get open on your screen. Here in the screen, you can see the MS Word window and you can find different components of the MS Word window. Here are the components: File tab, Ruler, Quick Access Toolbar, Title bar, Ribbon, Document area, View button and the cursor. After opening the Word window, you have to enter the text on it. Now, how to enter the text? To enter text in a document, first of all, you have to place the cursor at the desired position where from you want to start typing. Then after, you can start typing with the help of the keyboard. The text will appear on the screen. My dear students, whenever we create a document in MS Word, we must save it for the future use. Means whenever it is required, you can take it out from your hard disk or the computer system. So, to save your file, you have to follow the following steps. First, you have to click onto the File tab. Then after, you have to select Save As option. Once you will select the Save As option, one Save As dialog box will get open. In that, you have to choose the location for the document and you have to give the name to your file. After giving the name of your file, you have to click onto the Save button. When you will click onto the Save button, your file will be saved in the desired location wherever you have saved your file. Now, how to open a document? You can open an already saved document on the screen and can also make changes to the document. To open a document, you have to follow the following steps. First, you have to click onto the File tab. Then after, you will find here Open command. You have to click onto the Open command. When you will click onto the Open command, the Open dialog box will get open. From here, you have to select your file which you have created earlier and then after you have to click onto the Open button. When you will click onto the Open button, your file will appear on the screen. We can create so many documents in MS Word. Whenever we want to create a new document in MS Word, we have to follow the following steps. Step number 1, we have to click onto the File tab. Then after, you have to select the New option. After selecting the New option, one window will get open. From this window, you have to select the blank document. Afterward, you have to click onto the Create button. When you will click onto the Create button, one new document you can see on the screen. After creating a document, you can take a print of your document. For taking a printout of your document, you have to follow the following steps. First, you have to click onto the File tab. Then after, you have to select the Print option. After selecting the Print option, one Print dialog box will get open. From this dialog box, you have to select the number of copies to print. When you will click onto the number of copies to print, then after you have to click onto the Print button. One copy of the document will be printed and you can change the number of copies to be printed in the Copies option. A new feature has been introduced in Microsoft Office 2016, which is called Tell Me. Tell Me is a tool that allows you to tell Word what you want it to do. This feature will guide you through the steps you need to take to complete a task. The Tell Me tool is located towards the left side of the Word screen above the ribbon.